We've done a lot of reporting lately on the shortage of teachers, support staff, and bus drivers in many of the school districts. Now we've learned DPS is desperately short of nurses. Right now, some are trying to cover more than one school. CBS 4's Marissa Armas talked with a nurse about the issue. Marissa, sounds like they could use some help.
They can, Jim. Right now, there are several vacant nurse positions within the school district, and some fear that if those positions don't get filled quickly, it could overwhelm those nurses the district does have.
It's one of the best jobs Rebecca Sposato has ever had.
I like being a school nurse.
But this year, she'll be doing a lot more of it.
I am currently assigned to Emily Griffith High School and Downtown Denver Expeditionary School. But because there is a nurse shortage and there are schools that did not have an assigned nurse, I am temporarily also covering Dora Moore.
Denver Public Schools starting off the school year with a nurse shortage.
It's the workloads for our nurses that we're asking them to do much and to stretch thin.
The Denver Classroom Teachers Association saying at least 42 schools don't have nurses. That means the nurses the district does have are shuffling between multiple schools, some even working up to 5.
It's a concern. So I think it's a concern for all parents around that health and safety issue. What if? Is there somebody there that can administer that medication? Is there somebody that can recognize those signs?
Schools without nurses are getting help from health techs or front office staff. But for many nurses, that's a liability.
If I don't have enough time to connect with this, with the health tech or the secretary within the office, what might happen if we don't get those medications straight? And it wears on people.
While the shuffling between schools just started for Rebecca, she worries this nurse shortage could put students' health at risk.
I think some students might, fall through the cracks if healthcare needs are not met.
Now, we did reach out to the district about this, and a spokesperson did acknowledge that there is a shortage, but they say that they're continuing to hire people in these positions because they do want to make sure that all the needs of students are met. In Denver, Marissa Armas covering Colorado First.
People in Denver's East Coal